One family budgeted a 20% cushion for their move abroad and still blew past it by $3,400. The average international household goods shipment alone costs $15,000. Visa and immigration fees add another $8,500 on top. And that is before a single dollar of the hidden costs most relocation guides never even mention. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a realistic expat relocation budget, including the 5 most expensive hidden costs almost nobody accounts for, the exact numbers you need to plug into your plan, and the one tax trap that could cost you more than your entire move if you get it wrong. This video is for anyone seriously considering moving abroad, whether you are planning to leave in 6 months or still in the dreaming stage. But wanting to move and being financially prepared to move are two completely different things. I have spent months digging through real relocation budgets, expert guides, and case studies from actual expats, and what I found will change the way you plan this. Stay until the end because the final point, the tax exposure trap, is the one that blindsides people the most and costs them the most money by far. Let us get into it. The first hidden cost is what people in the relocation world call the double rent trap. Here is a bold statement to start. You will almost certainly be paying rent in 2 countries at the same time, and most people have $0 budgeted for that. Think about how this actually plays out. You give notice on your apartment back home. Your lease runs 30 days, but you need to be in your new country to find a place, sign a lease, and get settled. So you are on the ground in Lisbon or Bangkok or Tbilisi, paying for an Airbnb or a short-term rental while your rent clock is still running back home. That overlap is rarely 2 weeks. It is often 6 to 8 weeks, sometimes longer if you are waiting on paperwork. That one real expat family I mentioned in the opening. The double rent trap alone cost them $6,300, not their whole budget overrun, just that one line item they forgot to plan for. The action step here is simple. Take your current monthly rent or housing cost and multiply it by 2. That is your minimum overlap budget. If you are moving somewhere like Lisbon, factor in that a security deposit plus first month's rent will run you between $2,400 and $4,200 just to secure the apartment. Add those numbers to your moving budget before you do anything else. But here is what most people do not realize about the visa and immigration process, and it is going to cost you a lot more than the government fees listed on the official website. The second hidden cost is